going on everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alxr and I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be customizing this white pair of Nike Air Force 1 lows. I literally just picked these up. I picked these up for the summer, but I've been seeing so many of these hydro drip custom videos on YouTube and I'm like, that looks so fun. I've never hydro dripped anything before, but I've done like customs in the past, so I kind of like know what I'm doing with paint and stuff. I've never hydro dripped anything though. Hopefully it does go pretty well. Right now I'm gonna go to the store, I'm gonna get the spray paint and I'm just gonna like, yeah, hydro drip them. I gotta find out which colours to get first, and yeah, I guess we're just gonna go to the store, see what colours they have and come back and hydro drip them. Let's go. What about blue? Maybe yellow. Or pink as well. Oh, that'll look fire. So the first colour I'm going to use is the pink. And then the blue. And now for the shoes. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them in. Oh my gosh. And now for the other side as well. Whoa. Three, two, one. Three, two, one. Alright, they're completely done now. I'm going to take the tape off and come back. Now I'm just going to use the acrylic varnish to varnish them. They look like a piece of art, it's crazy. It's not what I expected. I think it looks cool though. Wait till they're laced up though. See what they look like then. Now the shoes are completely done, as you can see. Completely finished. It was much harder than I expected it to be. I expected to like just put it in and then you lift it out and it would be done. I think my technique was off because I watched a couple more videos after I did mine, and you're supposed to put the shoe like down like that, because I was doing it, I think I was doing it like sideways, so only one side of the shoe was getting covered. However, I think it still turned out cool. It did take like 2-3 attempts ish on left and the right shoe to get like the whole shoe covered. You can see like it took quite a few attempts, but the whole shoe is completely covered where I wanted it to be covered. I think they turned out cool. I'm going to wear them. I'm definitely going to be wearing these. I put acrylic finisher on it, so the paint should stick on it. As always, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Do you rock with them? Would you wear these? I think I'm definitely going to wear them. I think I do like them quite a bit. I don't know what they remind me of. They kind of like remind me of like a painting, or like I think it's like a specific painting. I think they look like. But yeah, make sure to let me know in the comments. Would you wear them? Let me know down below. Today's comment shout goes to Samuel Kane. Appreciate you watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn the bell to so you can find every single time I put a brand new video. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci. Mix match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Check like it's Nike. Me, I just do it.